how to make money with NFTs in 2021 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by saying that the quickest way of making money in the NFT space would be to flip NFTs, either getting in at mint, so when they come out, buy them low and sell them high, and repeat the same process. That's rather tricky though, so I have some way easier methods for you to make consistent passive income on these NFTs. They have a cost of entry to them, but after that, it's passive income for at least 10 years. We'll start off by doing this on the Ethereum blockchain, which has a way bigger community in the NFT space than the Solana network that we'll get to afterwards. But both of these work the same. We'll start off by CyberKongs, which is an NFT you can buy over on OpenSea.io and search for CyberKongs, which are these guys. The floor, which is the currently lowest price for one of these, is 9.4 Ethereum. You can sort by buy now on the left to see the lowest one, this one. You could technically just click buy now, buy it for 9.4 Ethereum, which is quite a lot of money. But these have a very, very, very good way of making a lot of money. I can show you by going over to their website, which is cyberkongs.com. And the fun part about these things is once they are in your wallet and you hold them, they will generate you banana, the fruit. And once you click here, you can read about what these are. First thing first, it said it's not an investment and has no economic value. It's true, but they only have to say this due to restrictions from the US government, because otherwise they would have to do some tax things differently. This way, they avoid those. But what you can see here, yield. Every Genesis Kong yields 10 banana a day. So 10 of these banana coins, tokens, you can harvest per day once you hold one of these CyberKongs. A day's hard work paid with the most delicious treat. And the fun part about this is these 10 banana tokens per day are paid over a period of 10 years, which is incredible because one of these banana coins is currently worth $80. So by holding one of these, let's say 9.4 ETH grants you $800 per day for 10 years straight. What you can also do with these bananas to generate passive income would be if you hold 2 of these and have 600 banana in your wallet, you can get yourself an incubator and breed baby Kongs, which is another NFT and just a baby ape that is also worth a ton. You can look these up, but these are not the right ones. But you get the gist of it. You can create a second NFT that has at least 4 to 5 Ethereum worth using 600 bananas that you receive within 60 days. So 2 months of holding these. No less, 1 month of holding these because you have 2 generating 20, which would also be $1,600 per day if you hold 2 of these. You can then breed into a second NFT. As you can see here, banana shop coming soon. The banana shop will be the place to equip your VX, and spend banana holding a baby Kong will allow for some hidden advantages. So you can even use it to upgrade your Kongs visually and make them more unique, and therefore make it so that they cost more on the secondary market in resale, which would also grant you more money. The same thing can be done on the Solana network by staking Fract tokens, which was the first generative art NFT project on Solana that even builds an ecosystem around it. So what does that mean? You hold Fract, which is an NFT, which is pretty cool art, I'd say. You could then stake it by clicking staking on the left here. It would stake, and different rarities of these NFTs would grant you different amounts of points, which will result in more or less fract per day, which you can generate. The lowest one, which we can go over to Solana, these will cost you a 8.8 Solana, which is the floor price, this one. And all these nets, they're called net, as you can see, shape net. These are color white. These are the ones that are most abundant. So these give you the least points, but they still give you 10, which will result in around 315 fract tokens per year. And the fract token is even listed on CoinMarketCap, as you can see, fract token, and it's currently on $50 cents per fract token, and it went up 70% in 24 hours. As you can see here, it started off at 26 cents, it went up to even 70 cents, and it now went back to 45 in euro terms. And you will get these every single day. The other profit it has is that you get fract tokens, and in the future you'll be able to mint future NFTs being released by the Fract launchpad here, as you can see. So this is part of their initiative and ecosystem. They will help people that have great art sell it as an NFT, and most of these you'll be able to be first ones to mint using either Fract or Solana, and that makes it easier for you to get in and to make a quick profit by flipping them after they are on the secondary markets. So these Fract tokens are only tradable on the Radium exchange for now, but for Solana, the price skyrocketed in the last hours, which is unbelievable. And I'd say this will go up to some good numbers. It was up at, I think, $1 per Fract token this morning and went down again. Yeah, it's 90 cents, 90 cents. But it's looking like a bright future. These aren't too pricey for now. 8.8. Using price history, you can see all these used to trade at a 100 Solana average price, which means once you buy one of these, stake them, you not only get passive income, but also have a historically very valuable asset in your collection, because the floor price used to be, I think, around 45 to 50 for one of these. They're now 8.8. I'm pretty sure they go back to 50. So that's a 5x on resale, plus giving you Fract tokens each day. That's great money to be made. And that's the ways I would say to make money in the NFT space in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.